What's up guys, Roy here, and once again welcome back to our universe. So this video is completely special because I have received so many DMs and so many requests on which phone to take and which is the best flagship grade phone to take for beginners, for YouTubers, or for video editing in a smartphone. So as you all know that today I'm talking about the POCO phone F1. So this was an amazing phone that was launched last year, and this obviously had flagship grade specifications, and this was a completely hype, and many of the people were excited about this phone, and they are successfully using this. And to be honest, this is actually one of the best phone, and this is completely an underrated flagship phone. So talking about this flagship phone, I would suggest you that if you are going to buy a phone, and if you need a phone for video editing, for great camera quality, or if you are starting YouTubing, so this phone would be an amazing device to go for at this perfect price point, because it has amazing specs like the quick charging or any other flagship grade. This has Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 AI chip, not the SoC but AIE, the artificial intelligence enabled chip. And there are a lot of features in this phone which has been underrated, or it was underestimated. But literally this one an amazing phone. This was launched last year, and to all those people who literally want this, they must go for this flagship device this year even, because this is completely an too hyped phone, not a too hyped, but it is a good phone to go for this year. It was launched in 2018, but it is still running in 2019, and it will be giving competition to some other phones in the 2020 segment even. So amazing gaming phone, and there are a lot of feature pack that you can expect from any kind of flagship devices. So if anyone are going to start YouTubing, or they need perfect for video editing, it doesn't lag. And the facial recognition system, I would say it has air blaster in it, and this is cool. This facial unlock is so fast, and it doesn't take much time. And because there is air blaster inside the notch, and there are a lot of features that we have underestimated for this phone. But if anyone, literally I again say that if anyone wants this amazing flagship design and amazing flagship specs phone in this year, then you must go for this. So the infrared facial recognition is great. It also unlocks your phone so faster even in the dark, not in the light, even in the dark you can see that the phone has unlocked very quick in the dark. Next, talking about the battery, it supports the Qualcomm Snapdragon, the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, and it charges your phone so well, and you get the power brick inside the box, so no issues that you have to buy fast charger separately. So you can use any other fast charging also, at least from Samsung or something you have, because it supports the USB Type C and it will be recognizable. But to be honest, this is an amazing device. You must go for it. And especially I'm talking about this device because this color, the texture, the design, many people didn't like the design, okay, but the features are amazing. The features are brilliant, and the features are amazing. You cannot look down for these features, because you're not going to get at this price point. I literally speaking about this device so much, and I'm not kind of no-brainer, but it's a truth that this device was launched around 22,000 to 30,000 last year, but right now you're getting amazing deals on Amazon.in, and I have mentioned all the links in the description, so please go and check it out. You're getting this flagship device, this amazing flagship device, within 15,000 price point, and that is what it's insane and it's crazy that such an amazing specification, such an amazing camera quality phone you're getting at 13 to 14,000, and this is must go. So if you are having any kind of phone and you want this as a secondary device, you can also use this, because there is AI detection camera, there is AI detection even in the video quality, even in the video recording. Not only that, but even the video recording supports the AI mode, and that is great. So this is completely a hype phone, or I would literally say that this is completely an underrated phone that we didn't get last year. I know K20 Pro, the K20 is set this year, but to be honest, you must go for this because you're getting this at almost around 12,000 to 13,000 price segment, that is under 15,000. You are getting Snapdragon 845 AIE, Snapdragon octa-core processor, and that is great. The camera, I'm still talking about the camera. The cameras are doing great, and especially for people who want to edit videos, especially for people who want to start YouTubing, or especially for people who want to make vlogs and you have little bit budget, then you must go for it. Let's talk about the camera comparison. So you can see that without AI and with AI how this comparison was done. Video quality is also amazing. For I literally say that video quality is exactly same, and it is really crisp, and the videos are also amazing. Image stabilization is there. You can shoot videos on HDR, that is high definition resolution. So there's no compromise in specification for this phone. Only there is a compromise is in design. You can also shoot slow motion videos, and there is something called videos HFR, um, the frame per rate second. So you can actually decide at which frame you want to shoot, and there are time lapse. Even time lapse absolutely is amazing, which you won't get in this range segment smartphone. And so POCO F1 is, I literally say it is an underrated flagship device, and this year we are getting this deal at this amazing flagship device at just 12 to 13,000 on Amazon. So you must not miss it. You just go for it and get this phone as soon as possible. Now, comparing to other devices like the OnePlus, this is design wise it is not doing a great job, but to be honest, in specification wise it is giving a tough competition even to the OnePlus 6T, which is also an amazing phone. So we are getting a headphone jack, and that is great for a flagship device because every flagship device doesn't give us 3.5mm headphone jack, and it's great for music lovers. So you need to plug in and you just go for it. The blue color was amazing, and I literally felt that this was my color. And comparing to other OnePlus devices, this is quite durable because its armored edition is also present, which you can buy. And comparing to the OnePlus, it is more durable. It's a hard plastic on the back, so you can use it without any case or cover. So for all those people who really want to go and purchase the good phone, you must go for it. So please like the video and hit the bell icon before you leave, and subscribe.